it's Snyder from Team Better You, empowering people to live better lives and reach their full potential. Bettering their lives each day to reach their full potential. But anyways, one of the reasons why I love Beachbody On Demand is because you get these awesome printable calendars. As you can see, I'm like a little over 3 weeks. I'm on my 4th week in the program, and I am actually going to be doing the 10-minute ab chisel. I already crushed the power chisel, but anyways, I'm going to be doing that. I'm at my house because these are at-home programs through it's called Beachbody On Demand. These are at-home programs. You can stream them online, which is amazing. We have all sorts of programs, and yeah, just kind of made my basement into a gym. My kids like to come down here when I work out. I don't mind. They just kind of hang out, and I get my workouts in. So if you're busy parents, it's perfect. I got kids from age 10 all the way to 3. So, but anyways, basically these programs you can stream online from a tablet, phone, smart TV, your computer, anything like that. You can get these workouts from, which is amazing. So anyways, I want to show you, this is my computer, and I'm just gonna start doing the 10-minute ab chisel. Also, we have our own Beachbody Performance line, and I'm pretty hyper because I am taking what we call the Beachbody Energize. It's amazing. 2 scoops of it and you're flying, man. It's awesome. Keeps you going. But it is amazing. But anyways, I am going to put us on the TV. We're working out with a trainer called, her name is Autumn Calabrese. She's amazing. She has a lot of stuff out, and she's a really good trainer. She will kick your butt into shape, I promise you. But anyways, we're going to turn this around, and we're going to do a few moves, and then we'll let you go. But I just wanted to show you how easy it is. Go to your calendar, find out what you're working out. These are all printable on the programs. And yeah, amazing. Forearm plank.
So what I want you to do is make sure you're gripping the bench with your hands. Here we go. 3, 2, 1. So forearms are on the bench. We're holding on to it just to add a little extra stability. Abdominals are drawn in tight. Your head is in line with your spine. You've got
1 minute forearm plank.
Shooting energy out the heels. Your elbows are directly under your shoulders. Breathing, squeezing those abdominal muscles in, getting them to engage, getting them ready for the rest of this 10 minutes.
I'm shaking.
Keep
you got 27 seconds to go.
I want you to make sure you're maintaining that flat line. Don't let the pelvis drop. So none of this, out, none of this. That's your abs. Nice and flat, right there on the balls of your feet. Squeezing. Almost there. Come on, we got 5, 4, 3, 2, and come on up. So we're gonna go into seated.
And with these programs, we got anything from like beginners to advanced to whatever you're looking for. We have pretty much everything. It is amazing. I'm gonna do a few more moves and then we'll cut out, and I'll leave a link below so that you can come chat with me and we can get you going on your health and fitness journey from your house. And you can even come and join my accountability group that I have. So,
and tap. I really want you to make sure that that lift is coming from the abs. Squeeze it, control it, pull it in, and let this start.
And a lot of these programs too, you don't have to use any equipment.
Keep breathing. Exhale every time you lift and contract. That's it. All right, let's take a look. Kate, look at these awesome abs. I mean, come on. You can't wish for abs like that. You have to work for abs like that. She knows what it takes. She's squeezing. She's working now. You're feeling it in your hip flexors, aren't you? Yeah, she's like, I am. It's normal, the hip flexors right back into it. Come on, we're almost there. You got 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Nice.
But anyways, I'll let you go. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments. Please subscribe to my channel. If you're, I'll keep you informed, and I'd love to work with you. Also, if you are into health and fitness and very motivating and outgoing, I would love you to join my team. All right, Team Better You. Have a great night.